For carrying out various horticultural operations, one needs different kinds of tools and equipment, such as hand cultivator, rake, hand trowel, garden fork, sprinklers, etc. In this video I am going to show you how to fabricate a DIY rake used in farming. A rake is a type of gardening or landscaping tool with a handle that ends in a head. You can use a rake for scooping, scraping, gathering, or leveling materials, such as soil, mulch, or leaves. Some rakes have flat heads, others have sharp metal tines that can break up compacted soil or rocks. A rake is a horticultural implement consisting of a toothed bar fixed transversely to a handle, or tines fixed to a handle, and used to collect leaves, hay, grass, etc. Few mechanical operations involved in this process are machining, milling, turning, forging, grinding and drilling, etc.